Welcome to the second video of this playlist. Today, we will create a component. A React component is a small, reusable piece of the user interface. It's like a function that returns what should appear on the screen. By breaking the UI into components, React app becomes easier to build, reuse, and maintain. Before creating a component, let's download the project from my GitHub account. I have added the link in the description below. Then click Code, Download Zip to download them on your computer. You can then extract the zip file and open the project in your text editor. To open the terminal, click View, Terminal. Run npm i to add node modules. Then run npm run dev. To check the preview, press Ctrl and click the link. You will see the preview of our app. If you open src folder and index.css, I have added all the CSS that is required for our app. If you open the components folder, you will see our main app.jsx file. At the moment, we just have a div tag with inline style and a text grocery list, but soon we will modify them. Alright, now let's create our first component, header component. Here we will add the app title and so the total number of items. So in the components folder, create a new file, header.jsx. Here add export default function header, add return, inside add the header tag, then add h1 tag grocery list. Also add the span tag item 0. To use this component, we need to import it first in the app component. At the top, import header from header. Inside the div, add the header component. Also, instead of the inline style, now I can replace it with the class grocery list since I have all my CSS now. Check the preview and we can see our header component being rendered. Now let's create another component, item component, and here we will add a close icon and the item name. Then we will create our final component, counter component, to handle the quantity. So under components, add a new file, item.jsx. Here add export default function item, add return, inside add a div with the class item, inside add another div with the class item name. For the close icon, add the button with the class remove. We can copy the icon from the side using the dev tool. I will copy the HTML and paste them inside the button tag. For the item name, add span tag. And for now, let's add the static Apple text. Later, we will use a dynamic one from the data. To use this component, we need to import it in the app component. At the top, import item from item. Inside the div, after the header component, add the item component. Check the preview and we can see the item component. Now, let's create our final component, counter component, to handle the quantity. So under components, add a new file, counter.jsx. Add export default function counter. Add return. Inside, add a div with the class quantity. Add span with the class label. Add the text QTY. Then add a button with the class increment. Add plus sign. Then add another button with the class decrement. Add minus sign. Finally, add a span tag with the class QTY. Add 0. To use this component, we need to import it in the item component. At the top, import counter from counter. After the item name div, add the counter component. Check the preview and we can see the counter component being rendered under the item component. This is called the nested component. This is the end of the session. In the next session, we'll set and use props. Feel free to comment below if you have any questions. Also, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel to get more videos in the future. Thank you for watching and see you soon.